This lesson we'll be showing you how you can publish the website, so make it live to the audience.
This video is brought to you by Appy's Academy.
So going into publish, you've got an option here to publish button, and it's going to ask you for the web address. So the site is going to be sites.google.com/view, and if you do something like test, you're going to see that it's already taken, and that's because this is going to be a shared subdomain of sites.google.com. So you have to find a website address that isn't already taken. So take it course, and that one's already taken. If I try it with a dash, that one's already taken. So let's do -2. So that one is available. So that's going to be the URL for the website. You can also customize it as needed, and you can also add in your own URL, so a paid domain name, and then you can manage the domain name settings. So that would mean that you'd purchase the domain name, and that would simply point to your Google Sites instance, and you can make your domain name whatever it wants and then customize under the manage. So there's also an option of who can view your website, and that's available under this option. So right now, by default, anyone can view the website. So you can update that at any time, and you can set it over to certain people that you can invite to view the website, and published anyone can view. So you can update that, and specific people can view it when it's published. And this is great for if you've got intranet websites that you only want to share particular content to particular users. This is a great way to control that using Google's built-in share settings and view permissions. Really allows you a lot of control over your content. And then lastly, there's the search settings. So request public search engines do not display my website. So this is also another option that if you've got some private content, or if you've got content on here that's not meant to be shared with the wide audience where someone could just Google it and see your web page, this gives you more control over who's visiting your website and what they're able to see on your website. So once you've created it and you're ready to go, you can just go to publish. And this will give you an option to publish the website. The top menu here, where you can get copy of published site link, copy of the link. And then now you can go into any browser, you can type in this URL, you can share it with your friends and family, and everyone can see your site instance and view it if the settings and permissions are set to allow them to.